As you know, every British gardener needs a cup of gin before starting work in the garden. Cheers. Right, today what we're going to do, apart from mucking around in the greenhouse, is we're going to have a look at, we're going to set up and rebuild a bed which has been, well, the hedge is taking up all its nutrients, so we need to hit it hard with some facility building, and we're going to put a double cloche on there, and then I'll show you the whole process. Bought this from the garden centre. It's easy seedling tunnels, and these are mini tunnels, mini cloches. So what are they? Width of they're 8 inches by 5 inches in height, so they're tiny. And I'm going to have this underneath a bigger one, which is that's in metrics, which is 45 centimetres by 42 centimetres, which is 18 inches, yeah, 18 inches by around about 18 inches. So so we're going to double cloche, so it'll be sort of what do you call it? Yeah, anyway, extra insulated. And now the second cloche. I don't endorse these. I'll show you why I don't in a second. I've used these before, but they've changed the design since I last used them. I'll explain it. I've just worked out why I don't like them. Right, in the past I've used these. I've got some more, bought from the same place, but unfortunately they've changed the design. They make you assemble it. I put the metal through the hoops, but also what they've done, I think it's to say, maybe to save production costs. They don't seal at the end. So this particular design, I'm not sure. I'm going to have to modify it. So yeah. Not sure. Oh, hold on. No, these. This. Oh, I bought this. Oh no, this was £1. Well, oh no, you can't argue for £1. Yeah, I bought these in a pound shop, and how can you argue? So yeah, what I'll do is I'll modify it. I'll take the loops out of the ends, and then sort of scoop the plastic forward so it meets the earth. It'll reduce the length essentially, but we'll get some insulation then. It would have dramatically reduced the size of the tunnel if I just had one. So I've got a second one which I'm going to put down. So it's still good value, and they both cost £1, so that's £2 for a sizable cloche. So I'll crack on with that. This is those Elsa Craig seedlings I sowed Christmas week in the greenhouse. Yeah, and they're coming on nicely. Yeah, they're putting on a bit of colour now, and yeah, they're good. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll come up. We'll have plenty of nice onions, sort of August time. The difference with sowing seed onions is that they'll crop later on in the year, August as opposed to sort of July. But it's something you can enjoy, going from seed to plate, and possibly if you know what you're doing, you can collect seed yourself each year. That'd be the most sustainable way of doing it. To the side of the Elsa Craig is Shimonita, which is a type of spring onion, Japanese bunching onion. This has been some of it has germinated. It was old seed, but it's seed that I really like. It's a variety that I really like, but it's been very patchy coming up. I don't know whether it was old seed or it's just too early for it or whatever, but wrong conditions. But yeah, it's been less successful with that. If you remember, again over the Christmas week or sometime around there, I put some shallots. I broke up my shallots that I saved from last year, and I put them in here to start them off, get some roots going, and now which has happened because it's hard to tug them out of the ground, and now the green shoots are coming up, so we know we're doing all right. So I'm pleased with that. And these are some peas I started off indoors. I think they're Golden Sweet, which is my favourite pea. It's a Monge 2. Sorry, bad joke. Yeah, it's Golden Sweet. I don't know whether that's going to focus. And starting off indoors under lights in the heat, and it's shot up the leggy. But now they're in the greenhouse under this cloche, and where they'll grow on a bit longer. I might, well, I don't know. Let's see how it's too leggy. I might trim them back a bit. But what will happen, probably the middle of Feb or late Feb, is I'll put these in the ground under a cloche, not in the greenhouse, for an extra early crop. So these are Golden Sweet. You can get them in any garden centre. They're special because the Monge 2, when put in soups, is really sweet and delicious, and they've got pretty purple flowers. They don't have a scent, but they're pretty purple flowers. I highly recommend them. They're a yellow pod. Again, that's attractive. So something really attractive for the garden, and productive and really tasty. So it's an all-rounder. So it's certainly my favourite special pea. Probably my favourite shelling pea is probably Hurst Golden Shaft or Lord Leicester. But that's I found planting these early under heavy protection is really, you get a really early crop. It's very successful. That's it then. Cheerio. I'll see you on the next one.